brutal society that we live in, where the system itself has failed a girl who was subjected to mental torture, who was subjected to sexual harassment by none other than her professor, the head of department in the college that she was studying. Dr. Charu Ali Khanna on the telecast with me. Dr. Khanna, how do you react when a situation such as this is brought to the fore? And this is not the first time that women have been harassed mentally, sexually, and college professors, school teachers have been in the picture, the accused, the criminals of this heinous crime.
I think it's really horrific that persons whom we trust, whom parents hand over their children to the academicians, that they will, give a bright future to the children by educating them. They are the ones who are sexually exploiting them. Unfortunately, we are living in a country where a large number of males are now predators. We have to acknowledge that. And because of the reason for this, that the law is cognizant of the fact that women are in a vulnerable position and there are laws to protect women, whether it's the POSH Act or the DV Act or other acts. So I am very surprised that why is there so many fact-finding committee and this committee and that committee? Why was there not an internal complaint committee in the college? And why was it not headed by a woman? And why did it not take action on her complaints? I mean, random committees are not a part of the legal system. The statutory requirement is that you have to have an internal committee. And the rule in the law is very clear that under section 19 of the duties of the employer, it's mandatory. And if the college or any other establishment does not comply, then there's a very heavy penalty. I mean, apart from monetary 50,000 rupees and then double, it is also that they can lose their license. So, I mean, it's a very serious issue.
Yeah.
What was the principal doing? Is dereliction of duty on his part in sheer negligence. You are not bothered about the future of the children. You are just running a money-making machine under the name of education.